In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Microsoft PowerPoint to default settings tutorial. If your PowerPoint tabs, buttons, or layout don't look quite right anymore because of past tweaks, this guide will walk you through putting everything back to its original state. This reset targets interface customizations such as the ribbon and the quick access toolbar. It won't delete your presentations or your files, and it doesn't uninstall the app. Think of it as restoring the menu structure and commands to how they were on day one. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint. You can have any presentation open, even a blank one. The reset works the same either way. Once PowerPoint is up, look toward the top left for the File tab and select it to open the Backstage view. In the menu that appears, choose Options. This opens the PowerPoint Options window, which is where most settings live. In the Options window, find and select Customize ribbon on the left side. This section shows two key panels, commands on the left and the list of tabs and groups on the right. This is also where any changes you made to the ribbon or quick access toolbar would be listed. Now focus on the lower right corner of this window. You'll see a button labeled Reset. This is the built-in control that safely reverts your customizations without touching your documents or templates. Click Reset to reveal its choices. From the small menu that appears, choose Reset All Customizations. This selection restores both the ribbon and the quick access toolbar to Microsoft's default setup. It removes custom tabs, custom groups, and any icons you added or rearranged. PowerPoint will show a confirmation prompt to make sure you really want to proceed. The message explains that all your customizations will be removed. Take a moment to be sure you're ready to go back to the default layout, especially if you've invested time creating your own tabs or button arrangements. When you're sure, click Yes. The change applies immediately. You'll see the ribbon snap back to the standard tabs in order, and the quick access toolbar return to its original set of commands. If your goal was to troubleshoot odd behavior or simply get a clean slate, you should now be working with the default interface. That's all there is to it. You've successfully reset Microsoft PowerPoint to its default settings for the ribbon and quick access toolbar. If you need custom tabs again later, you can always return to the customized ribbon area and build them from scratch, knowing you can repeat this reset process whenever you want a fresh start. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined PowerPoint experience.